What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like. That really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, get all my real-time call outs, check out the Patreon and the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's dive right into Apple, which is up 2.38% on the day, $3.15. And if you guys watched that video I made last night, I said a bounce is coming very soon, and we got that bounce today. Now this move can continue for another day or two, or we could see a pullback from here and Apple might be going back down again. Now going into tomorrow, guys, look at this low volume here on Apple stock, going up on a low volume. That is not a healthy sign that we're going to see a massive breakout here on this one. Yes, we could possibly go up to 137 again, maybe even 140, but at some point we're going to see Apple coming back down. And now that we are holding 135 as a support, soon as we take out 135, now we also have support at 134.23 and then 133, below 133. This time Apple will make a new 52-week low. So if you're buying calls here or going long, it's not a good idea to go long right here on Apple stock until I would say we break 142.42 and we get above this white line 20 SMA. Then definitely Apple not coming down to a new 52-week low. We could see more upside, but I just don't see that going into next year. I think Apple is going to make a new 52-week low, just like Amazon did, and also Tesla just recently, and even today. So going into tomorrow here on Apple, watch the support 135, 134.23, 133, and below that we're coming all the way back down to 131.26, where this lower Bollinger Band is sitting, and then 130, and then a new 52-week low is possible. Above 135, watch out for the resistance at 137 and then 140, 142.42, white line 20 SMA. And now we're going to look at Tesla. And this thing's still selling off. Kind of a flat day here on Tesla, but if you look at it, guys, it's been a struggle. Tesla cannot break 140 now. This thing is getting extremely oversold. Also, multi-day sell-off here on Tesla. I mean, look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3 days, and then we got a small tiny bounce right here, and now again selling off for fourth day in a row. Tesla is down, cannot get a small bounce, at least back up to 150. Now going into tomorrow, and I've been calling it out that 135, 136 will be the next level of support, and we're holding that as of right now, getting extremely oversold. I showed you guys yesterday in my video on that monthly chart, sitting below lower Bollinger Band. So this thing is getting extremely oversold, and we could possibly see a bounce. I just don't know when that is going to happen. Tomorrow, Friday, maybe next Monday, but it's coming very soon here on Tesla. Now 135, 136 breaks, then more downside here on Tesla, possibly going down to a new 52-week low, which is going to be around 130. To the upside, now we need to break, and this is why we cannot get that breakout. 140 is going to be a big resistance, and above 140, watch out for 146.63, blue line 5 SMA, and then possibly up to even 150. If Tesla stock can get up to 150 and that holds as a support, then more upside, then watch out for 162 to even 167. And now we're going to look at Google, which is up 0.69% on the day, but not a big day here on Google, guys. Once again, just holding $90 as a support. Blue line 5 SMA going into tomorrow, $90 right here will be a big level. Below that, we're coming all the way back down to 87, and then watch out for 83.45 where we held before. To the upside, $90 right here holds as a support tomorrow here on Google. Blue line 5 SMA, we could see a move all the way up to 93.47 and then 95.60. Red line and also white line 20 SMA right here. And now we're going to look at Amazon. On Amazon stock also we're up 1.85% on the day, and Amazon going absolutely nowhere after hitting another new 52-week low 84.33 yesterday, just getting a small dead cat bounce on a low volume, guys. So Amazon breaks, I would say 87, then we could see a move all the way up to 88 to even $90, and once we get up to 90, we can possibly talk about more upside. As of right now, I think we're going to make new 52-week lows here on Amazon again. Soon as we break 85, it's coming back down to flat $80 level. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. On Microsoft, we are up 1% on the day, $2.63, and now finally we're holding 244 and 240 as a support into closing, holding above this blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart, which is sitting at 244. Tomorrow, if we can hold 244 as a support here on Microsoft, then watch out for a move all the way up to 248, 250, and above 250, more upside. Below 240, this thing can come down all the way down to 237, and don't forget about this gap down here, guys. Massive gap which won't get filled until we get down to 228. Microsoft tomorrow, support level to watch 244, 240, 237, 232, and then the gap fill at 228. And now we're going to look at Meta. On Meta, we're up 2.28% on the day, $2.67, and finally we're seeing another strong bounce off of this support 112. I mean, how many times we got up to 112, got rejected, and also we held that as a support here on Meta. So this thing now trading above, if you look at my screen, 117.40. So basically we're sitting above all the moving averages here on this daily chart, and we could possibly see another run back up to 124 early as tomorrow. Now Meta breaks this support down here, 117.40, blue line and also orange line 13 SMA. It can come down to 116.45, 114.74, red line 50 SMA, and the big critical support down here at 112. Below 112, Meta going down to 108, and then possibly even flat 100. But I think if we can hold this support right here, 117.40 right here, we could possibly see a push again back up to 124, where we got rejected 5 times already, and this would be the 6th time getting up to 124. Only if that breaks, then we're going to see this gap getting filled on top, which is sitting right around 128.50. Below this support right here, guys, 112, Meta coming down and filling all these gaps down here, and that could be coming going into next year. So thank you so much for watching. Watch those levels going into tomorrow here on 6 Big Tech Stocks, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Have a great night, everyone.